this session also. So good thing with JAT, or I should not say thing here, but chalo ठीक है यही word मिला तो I'll go with this one. A good thing with JAT is as a test, it is more valid and more reliable. तो सबसे पहले learning हमारी यही है, what is validity and reliability. तो मतलब I'll be not be taking the entire class today, reliability. So I'll pitch ki what will be the agenda of the class, decision making class, and how I will be going ahead. So mostly ये होता है कि questions के हिसाब से चलो, but rather than मतलब uh, I'll no go with this way. हम पहले कुछ चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे for 2-3 classes, and then we will go for the questions and we'll find out how those discussions which we have already done is helpful in decision making section of JAT. So the good thing with JAT is it is the validity and reliability factor for JAT exam is very high. So let's start with learning this. The valid what do we mean by validity? अगर कोई साइंस का स्टूडेंट है तो बताए कि आपने कभी साइंटिफिक टेस्ट या स्टेटिकल टेस्ट के बारे में पढ़ते हो तो आपने सुना होगा कि एक टेस्ट को हम हाउ डू वी वेरीफाई और हाउ डू वी justify a test is based on these two criteria. So what is validity? Can someone tell me about that? कोई किसी को कुछ आइडिया है वैलिडिटी के बारे में? इंजीनियरिंग साइंस हर जगह पढ़ाया जाता है ये. अच्छा चलो मैं बताता हूँ. सो वैलिडिटी स्टैंड्स फॉर a test is being made or being used for checking what which is required to test. जैसे अगर आपको टेम्परेचर नापना है तो आप थर्मामीटर यूज करोगे, यू विल नॉट यूज एनी अदर machine to measure temperature. This is this simple, matlab, like as simple as this. But sometimes it is very uh, vague also. Like when we say that a management institute should go for a management aptitude test, and of course, what should be there in the test? Here we need to, matlab, there is no certain a certain subject which is called management or certain aptitude which is entirely based on management. So you use this on the basis of your quantitative analysis aptitude and decision making, data interpretation, LR, and verbal. So this is how CAT is testing you for their CAT has kept this criteria for measuring your management aptitude. But unlike CAT, JAT has opted for this structure that it will have quantitative ability and DI, verbal ability, decision making, because ultimately as a manager we'll have to make lots of decision on daily basis. And apart from this, they have also kept some GK, because you must be aware about all the things happening around you, and essay writing, which actually says how do you think and how do you represent your idea. So this test is more valid in term of it is in term of checking the management aptitude of any particular student. At the same time, it is more reliable. Now, what do we mean by reliable? And see like, even if I am praising JAT here over CAT, but the key idea of this particular discussion is to understand what is validity and what is reliability, because in your decision making section, this may be used as a reasoning for picking the right option. So the reliability, what do we mean by reliability is that let's say अगर आप किसी को जैट का एग्जाम दिलवाओ एक बार and he is able to score 95 percentile, next time he will appear for the exam, he will be able to score similar to 95 percentile only. So there will not be much change in the percentile, and maybe it will increase if he will prepare for the sections which are quite, मतलब he was not aware of. अगर वो करता है तो थोड़ा बढ़ सकता है, but with a certain knowledge, if there is no change in his knowledge, if someone is scoring 95 in 1 year, he will score almost 95 percentile in second year also. So this is what reliability is. So we have tried to explain that uh, even the cat was not good for any of you, you still have a chance for JAT. And JAT is a proper test for management, which is valid and reliable. So preparing for JAT is easy. And no, if not easy, it's not based on some factual knowledge or knowledge of algebra only and knowledge of mathematical aptitude only. It will be checking your capabilities based on multiple criteria, which is uh, which will be explaining ahead.